Welcome to this video on composite materials and structures, exploring everything from fundamental mechanics to advanced engineering deployment. We will examine how multiple materials are combined to create superior structural systems. Monolithic materials have limitations that restrict structural progress. Concrete has high compressive strength but poor tensile strength. Metals are heavy and suffer from fatigue. Ceramics are heat-resistant but brittle and difficult to machine. Engineering progress requires offsetting the weaknesses of one material with the complementary strengths of another. Composite action combines independent materials into a unified structural system. Examples include timber and steel beams and reinforced concrete. The core requirement is equal strain at the interface, meaning the materials must deform together. Bending induces simultaneous compression and tension across the cross-section. The total bending moment is shared between the materials. The bending stress at any distance from the neutral axis depends on the material's bending stiffness. The transformed section method reduces two materials to one equivalent structure using the modular ratio. By multiplying the stronger material's second moment of area by this ratio, engineers can calculate the stress as if the beam were made entirely of one material. Composite action completely fails without interfacial shear resistance. Direct shearing action involves forces tangential to a surface. If the interface, such as a glue or bolts, fails, the materials slide independently and the composite action ceases. Shearing stress dictates a mandatory complementary perpendicular force. Horizontal shear forces create a couple that forces the block to rotate. Without opposing forces, the block spins out of rotational equilibrium. This necessitates that advanced composites are engineered to resist shear in multiple directions simultaneously. We have moved from fundamental structural mechanics to engineered micromatrices. Instead of bolting materials, continuous, high-modulus fibers are embedded directly into engineered matrices at the microscopic level. This dictates the exact axial and torsional stiffness required by the mechanical design. Polymer matrix composites, or PMCs, are the aerospace and structural workhorse. They offer unmatched specific stiffness. However, their maximum operating temperature is limited by the polymer resin's thermal breakdown threshold. Metal matrix composites, or MMCs, provide high specific stiffness with thermal control. A manufacturing challenge is that reinforcements and metal matrices react destructively at high temperatures, requiring protective fiber coatings. MMCs are used in industrial circuit breakers for electrical conductivity and wear resistance. Ceramic matrix composites, or CMCs, overcome monolithic brittleness. In CMCs, fibers deflect and arrest cracks, enhancing toughness. Fabrication methods like chemical vapor infiltration allow for complex, net-shaped components that are impossible to machine out of solid monolithic ceramics. Carbon/carbon composites, or CCCs, sustain the most extreme environments. The process involves infiltration, pyrolysis, and repetition to increase material density. Their primary application is in rocket nozzle throat inserts and aircraft racing brakes, where thermal shock would shatter metals and melt polymers. The engineer's composite selection matrix guides material choice based on key strength, heat tolerance, and cost. PMCs are best for airframes, MMCs for engine pistons, CMCs for turbine rotors, and CCCs for rocket nozzles and extreme braking applications. Aerospace mandates specific stiffness and aggressive fatigue life. The B-2 stealth bomber uses extensive PMCs to minimize radar cross-section. Composites replace monolithic aluminum in helicopter rotors, such as on the V-22 Osprey, extending fatigue life by factors of up to 6 times. Composites are crucial in reducing rotary inertia in high-speed machine components. Lowering the mass of rotating cylinders directly lowers their rotational inertia. This is vital in applications like paper handling and plastic film production, allowing for production lines to run faster and safer. This slide focuses on eliminating cast iron sleeves in internal combustion engines. Honda's MMC solution uses pressure infiltration of a hybrid preform into the aluminum block. This creates a metal matrix composite, removing heavy cast iron and yielding larger bore diameters, improved thermal conductivity, and significant weight reduction. Managing thermal expansion in aerospace electronics is critical. Silicon carbide reinforced aluminum is lighter than copper molybdenum baselines, offering higher specific stiffness and equal thermal performance. Beryllium oxide reinforced beryllium is used in spacecraft, where convection cooling is impossible, providing high thermal conductivity with a tailored coefficient of thermal expansion. In process industries, severe wear and erosion must be defeated. Materials like silicon carbide particle-reinforced alumina resist erosion from mining and chemical handling. The manufacturing breakthrough is directed metal oxidation, which allows for massive, complex pump and valve components that cannot be made from monolithic ceramics. Engineering drive shafts require variable axial to torsional stiffness. Critical speed is proportional to the square root of specific stiffness. By laying carbon fibers at off angles, engineers maximize lateral stiffness while independently lowering torsional stiffness to absorb drivetrain shock. An outer layer of e-glass provides galvanic isolation. This chart shows the synthesis of mechanics, material, and deployment. PMCs are used in high-stiffness, low-temperature applications like stealth bombers. MMCs are found in engine blocks. CMCs and CCCs are used in extreme temperature environments, such as rocket nozzles and ceramic brakes. The engineered matrix dictates the boundary of application. Thank you for watching this video on Advanced Composite Engineering. We covered the transition from fundamental structural mechanics to highly specialized composite material deployment in complex mechanical systems.